What's up, everyone? So I'm in my wife's 2007 Hummer H3. She left the key in the ignition overnight. Battery died. It wouldn't click or nothing. I jump started the vehicle off. It fired right back up. Everything worked except for the driver's window would not roll up or down, and the lock button on the driver's master switch, it would not work. It would not unlock the vehicle or anything like that. So I couldn't really find a whole lot of helpful stuff other than check the fuses in the fuse box, which I did. I seen something about disconnecting the battery and touching the cables together for a little bit and then reconnecting the battery, and that didn't work. So what I seen on this one forum was, okay, so here's the driver's side master switch. If you get a panel puller or a flathead screwdriver, you can pop this out. There's no screws holding it, it just pops out. There's a blue pigtail and a white pigtail. You want to disconnect both of those with the vehicle off, and then you want to take your key fob and you want to press the lock button. So you want to hold the lock button one time after those pigtails are connected, and you'll hear it click. And then you want to let go, and then you want to hit the unlock button one time, and you'll hear it click. And then after you hear that final click, then you want to reconnect the white and blue connectors that you just disconnected. You want to hook them all back up. Then you want to put the key in the ignition, turn the key over, start the vehicle, and test your buttons, and it should work. It fixed mine, and it's working great now. I can move the windows up, down, I can lock the doors. So hope that helps you guys.